Good day and welcome to Final Expense Basics. I'm John L. Garton, and today we're talking about burial insurance versus whole life insurance. Which is a better fit? Throughout my decades in the insurance industry, I've learned that protecting your loved ones isn't about buying the flashiest product on the market. It's about finding a plan that survives real life. Years ago, I sat down with a client named Marcus. He was a practical, hard-working guy who had just retired, and he came to me convinced he needed a massive $150,000 traditional whole life policy. He wanted to leave a huge financial footprint and cover every conceivable future expense. But when we ran the numbers, that traditional policy required a hefty premium that would have eaten up a massive chunk of his monthly retirement income. It's important to keep these things in mind as you plan this road out for your family. I asked Marcus a simple question. What happens if an unexpected home repair or medical bill pops up 6 months from now? He paused, realizing that a tight budget would likely force him to default on the payments of this policy and causing the policy to lapse entirely and leave him with zero coverage. That's when we shifted gears and looked at burial insurance versus whole life options through a more practical lens. We explored a streamlined, simplified issue final expense burial policy, a smaller, permanent whole life plan typically ranging from $5,000 to as much as $50,000 with some companies. It matched his actual budget, accounted for his mild health history without requiring a stressful medical exam, and locked in a level premium that he could comfortably maintain for the rest of his life. When comparing burial insurance versus traditional whole life, the most critical question isn't which name sounds better. It is choosing coverage that can realistically be approved, paid for, and kept in force for the years ahead. While traditional whole life can be fantastic for estate planning, income replacement, or larger family financial needs for healthier applicants, burial insurance is specifically tailored to handle final expenses, funeral costs, and medical balances without straining a fixed income. Marcus walked out of my office that day with peace of mind, knowing his family wouldn't face the burden of sudden end-of-life costs, and knowing his policy would actually stay active when it mattered most. Thanks for joining us today. If you want to learn more about protecting the people you care about, click on the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share it with those you love. For Final Expense Basics, I'm John L. Garton. See you next time.